Welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to stop seeing .ini files in Windows 11 in a quick and easy way. We'll hide these system files and clean your folder view. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click Search on the taskbar. It helps you open tools fast. Step 2. Type CMD and wait for command prompt to appear. Step 3. Right-click command prompt to see more options. Step 4. Click Run as administrator so commands can change system settings. Step 5. Click Yes to approve access. Step 6. Now copy the first command from the description box. Step 7. Go back to command prompt and paste it. Step 8. Press enter and let it run. Step 9. Copy the second command from the description box. Step 10. Paste the second command into command prompt. Step 11. Press enter again to apply the change. Step 12. Click the Windows icon on the taskbar. Step 13. Click Power to open shutdown options. Step 14. Click Restart to finish the process. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.